Welcome to Can Do Russian by RussianPod101.com.
Привет всем! Я Катя Коваленко. Hi everyone, I'm Katya Kovalenko. In this lesson, you learn essential social expressions such as thank you.
Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Russian ebook before it's gone.
This is Ben Lee, and he's on the train. A fellow passenger drops his wallet as he exits the train. Ben picks up the wallet and chases after the man. He calls to the man by saying, "Excuse me."
Извините.
Listen to the following 3 short dialogues between Ben and the man. Ready?
Извините. Да?
Ben hands the wallet to the man.
Спасибо. Пожалуйста.
Ben turns to board the train, but the door's shut.
Извините. Ничего страшного.
Once more with the English translation.
Извините.
Excuse me.
Да?
Yes? Ben hands the wallet to the man.
Спасибо.
Thank you.
Пожалуйста.
You're welcome. Ben turns to board the train, but the door's shut.
Извините.
I'm sorry.
Ничего страшного.
It's no problem.
Let's take a closer look at these 3 conversations.
First, do you remember how Ben Lee says, "Excuse me"?
Извините.
In this context,
Извините.
is used to get someone's attention and translates as "excuse me."
Извините.
Извините.
This is a formal expression. Ben uses it because he's speaking with someone he doesn't know. Note, this expression can also be used as a mild apology, but here Ben uses it to get the attention of the person he's chasing after. Do you remember how the passenger acknowledges Ben by saying, "Yes"?
Да?
Да?
Yes?
Да?
Да?
The second part of the conversation takes place after Ben returns the passenger's wallet. Do you remember how the passenger says, "Thank you"?
Спасибо.
Спасибо.
Thank you.
Спасибо.
Спасибо.
To add more emphasis to your appreciation, you could say,
Спасибо большое.
literally, "thanks big," but translates as, "thank you very much."
Спасибо большое.
This expression is used throughout Russia. Note,
Большое спасибо.
"thank you very much" is an equally used variation, meaning the same thing. Do you remember how Ben says, "You're welcome"?
Пожалуйста.
Пожалуйста.
You're welcome.
Пожалуйста.
Пожалуйста.
You're welcome is one of the most common translations, but this is a versatile phrase that can be used in multiple situations with many translations. So you will come into contact with it a lot. After the train doors shut and Ben misses his train, do you remember how the passenger apologizes to Ben by saying, "I'm sorry"?
Извините.
In this context,
Извините.
means "I'm sorry".
Извините.
The passenger feels responsible for Ben missing his train and is apologizing. The meaning of
Извините.
depends on context. Do you remember how Ben replies, "It's no problem"?
Ничего страшного.
This starts with
Ничего.
meaning nothing.
Ничего. Ничего.
Next is
Страшного.
which means terrible.
Страшного. Страшного. Страшного.
Is from
Страшный.
meaning terrible.
Страшный.
Together,
Ничего страшного.
literally means nothing terrible, but it translates as it's no problem or no problem.
Ничего страшного.
This is a common phrase used to express that things are all right.
Извини is the informal form of извините. Извини. Excuse me. Извини. Извини. Извини is used in informal situations, such as when speaking with people of similar age and social status. Both извини and извините are from the verb извинить, which means to excuse or to forgive. Извинить.
Instead of,
Извините.
you may also hear Russians say
Прошу прощения.
sorry and
Простите.
sorry. All three phrases mean the same thing and can be used for a mild apology. Additionally, Russians use
Мне очень жаль.
I'm sorry.
Мне очень жаль. Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers. Извините. Извините. Да? Да? Спасибо. Спасибо. Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. Прошу прощения. Прошу прощения. Ничего страшного. Ничего страшного.
Wondering how you can master these conversations even faster? Here's how. 1. Read along. You get the lesson conversation and translations inside our dialogue tool so that you see each word as you hear it and understand it all. 2. Practice speaking. By shadowing what you hear, you can also record and compare yourself with native speakers with our voice recording tools. And 3. Take our assessment tests and see how much you remember. These tools are part of our Can-Do course. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. Then repeat after me, focusing on the pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how Ben Lee says, "Excuse me"?
Извините.
Извините. And how the passenger says yes?
Да?
Do you remember how to say thank you? Спасибо. Спасибо. And how to say you're welcome? Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. Do you remember how the passenger says, "I'm sorry"?
Извините.
Извините. And how Ben says it's no problem.
Ничего страшного.
Ничего страшного.
Let's practice. Imagine you're Karen Lee, and you receive a popular Russian candy from your Russian teacher. Say, thank you. Ready?
Спасибо. Пожалуйста.
Listen again and repeat.
Спасибо. Спасибо.
Let's try another. Imagine you're Mark Lee, and a passenger bumps into you. Respond by saying, it's no problem. Ready?
Извините.
Ничего страшного.
Listen again and repeat.
Ничего страшного. Ничего страшного.
Let's try one more. Imagine you're Mark Lee, and you see a man drop his wallet. Get his attention. Ready?
Извините.
Да?
Listen again and repeat.
Извините. Извините.
This is the end of this lesson.
Now, here's what you can do to cement this conversation in your head. Review the conversation with our dialogue tool and lesson transcripts. Study the key words and phrases with our spaced repetition flashcards. Review the key grammar and cultural tips inside the lesson notes. And test yourself with our assessment tests. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to access our Can-Do course.
Now you know how to use essential social expressions such as thank you. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.